Question of the day: is MaYeni ungrateful for the house that Mr. Mseleku bought her? These were Mr. Mseleku's words, not mine. Hi guys, this is Jackie. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So today we're talking about Uthando Nesthembu, a little bit of a recap of what happened on episode 3, season 9. Now, Mr. Mseleku decided to do a surprise visit via MaYeni, and when he gets there, MaYeni is like, "What are you doing here?" Mr. M's like, "No, but I can come whenever I want." So according to Neethembu, according to them, they take turns, being with Mr. Mseleku. And then Mrs. Mseleku, MaYeni is like, wait, but you're not supposed to be here today. This is not my time. Mr. Mseleku is like, no, relax. Lapha wami, I can come whenever I want, okay? So you can see them catching up a little bit. Yabona MaYeni is drinking tea. MaYeni uyalala, no, mina, I'm sleeping here. And then that's when MaYeni says, no, today is not my day. And then Mr. Mseleku goes on and say, no, this is my house, I can do whatever I want. Then he goes on to ask Uthi, are you guys happy with the house? How are you guys doing? How are you settling in the new house? And also he compliments the house to Musa and everything. Now, MaYeni is like, well, the boys are happy, not the boys, the children. Yeah, bathabile abantwana. Like siyakubongela. And it's like, what about you? What about you? Why today? Usiba, when I get like, what about you? Mind you, you also chose the house. You are the one that chose this house. So it means like I also did this for you. It wasn't just for the children, it was also for you. So that was the question. Was MaYeni ungrateful? Is she not happy with the house or what? But you guys tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Or Mr. Mseleku is just being a little dramatic, like he always is, trying to find a problem where there isn't one, especially with the situation in Ramakomad. And yeah, that's it for today, I guess. Anyways, I'll see you on the next video.